Today, we will provide you another mock interview to help you prepare for your citizenship interview. This mock interview is based on actual applicant experience from the naturalization interview. Your naturalization interview will probably be different, but this will give you a general idea of the interview format and what you should expect.
Good morning. I'm Immigration Officer Keith, and I'll be conducting your interview today. How are you?
I'm good. How about you?
I'm good too, thanks. Please come in.
Thank you.
Can I have your appointment notice, your green card, and state-issued ID, please?
Sure. Here you go.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
You can place your belongings next to the chair. Please remain standing. I'm going to swear you in. Please raise your right hand. Do you swear to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes, I do.
Great. Please have a seat.
Thank you.
All right. Do you have any questions before we start the interview?
No, I don't have any questions.
Okay, we're going to go ahead and start with the civics portion. Did you study for it?
I studied very hard since I submitted my application 3 months ago.
Great. I will ask you up to 10 of the 100 civics questions, and you must answer 6 out of the 10 questions correctly to pass the civics portion. Let's start with the first question. Under our Constitution, some powers belong to the states. What is one power of the states?
Provide schooling and education.
That's correct. Name the U.S. war between the North and the South.
The Civil War.
Great. The House of Representatives has how many voting members?
435.
Correct. What are 2 ways that Americans can participate in their democracy?
Vote. Join a political party.
What is the highest court in the United States?
The Supreme Court.
Who is the father of our country?
George Washington.
What is one promise you make when you become a United States citizen?
Be loyal to the United States.
That's correct. The Federalist Papers supported the passage of the U.S. Constitution. Name one of the writers. Just one name.
James Madison.
What is the name of the national anthem?
The Star-Spangled Banner.
Last question. During the Cold War, what was the main concern of the United States?
Communism.
Great job. You got more than 6 answers correct, so you passed the civics test. Now, we're going to move on to the reading and writing portions. I'm going to show you a sentence on the tablet, and I want you to read it back to me, okay?
Who was the President of the United States during the Civil War?
Great. Now listen carefully to the sentence that I'll say and write it down on the digital tablet in front of you. Abraham Lincoln was the president during the Civil War. Again. Abraham Lincoln was the president during the Civil War. Let me check it. Yes, it looks good. So, you've passed the civics test in the English reading and writing portions. Congratulations.
Thank you, officer.
You're welcome. Now, let's review your application form. What is your current legal name?
James Angel Lopez.
Okay, is that the same name on your green card?
Yes, it is.
And have you used any other name since birth?
I haven't used any other names.
Would you like to legally change your name?
I do not want to change my name, officer.
When did you become a lawful permanent resident?
November 12th, 2019.
How did you get your green card?
Through marriage.
And how long have you been married to your spouse?
Since 2018.
Can I have your marriage certificate, please?
Sure. Here you go.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Great. What is your country of birth?
Mexico.
You are still a Mexican citizen, correct?
Yes, correct.
Are one or both of your parents US citizens?
No, they are not.
And can you confirm your date of birth?
October 10th, 1988.
Well, what is your current physical address?
300 Hartford Road, Salem, New Hampshire, 03079.
Have you moved after you submitted your application?
No, I have not.
And how long have you been living there?
I've been living there since 2018.
What's your previous address?
100 Main Street, Apartment 34, Nashua, New Hampshire.
Great. What do you do for a living?
I'm currently self-employed. I have my own business.
Okay, and what kind of business do you have?
Plumbing.
How long have you owned your business?
Since 2017.
How many employees do you have?
3 employees.
Great. Have you taken a trip outside the United States in the last 5 years?
Yes, I have gone on a few trips outside the United States.
Where and when was the last trip?
To Mexico in August 2020. We just spent 1 week there.
What was the purpose of your last trip?
Visiting my family and friends with my wife.
What is your current spouse's legal name?
Virginia Smith.
What is your current spouse's date of birth?
February 26th, 1989.
What date did you marry your current spouse?
September 29th, 2018.
Where did you get married?
Nashua, New Hampshire.
How did you meet her?
I met her at my friend's birthday party in Boston.
Great. And what is your current spouse's current address?
My spouse's current address is the same as my current address. 100 Main Street, apartment 34, Nashua, New Hampshire.
Is your current spouse a U.S. citizen?
Yes, she is a U.S. citizen.
And did you bring any documents to prove your marriage is legitimate?
Yes, I brought our bank statements and deed of our house that we bought together.
Has your spouse ever served in the military, or are they currently in the military?
No, she has not served in the military.
Have you been married previously?
Yes, I have been married previously.
What about your current spouse?
No, she had not been married before.
And what is your previous spouse's legal name?
Juana Gomez Alejandro.
When were you married to your previous spouse?
From April 2015 to November 2016.
Where did you get married to her?
Chelsea, Massachusetts.
How did that other marriage end?
Divorce.
Well, do you have your divorce decree with you?
Yeah, I do have it.
Can I see it?
Sure, here you go.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Do you have any children?
Yes, I do have 2 boys with my previous spouse.
Do they live with you or their mother?
They live with their mother.
Can you confirm their first name?
David and Joseph.
Are they U.S. citizens?
Yes, they are because they were born in Boston.
Great. Can I have their birth certificates?
Sure, here they are.
Thank you. Do you have to pay any child support?
Yes, I do have to pay any child support every month, and I have proof of payments.
Can I have it, please?
Sure. Here it is.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Great. Have you ever claimed to be a U.S. citizen?
No, never.
Have you ever registered to vote in any federal, state, or local election in the United States?
No, I have not.
Do you owe late taxes?
No.
Have you called yourself a non-U.S. resident?
No, never.
Are you a member of an organized group of people?
No, I'm not.
Were you a member of the Communist Party before?
No, never.
Were you connected to a totalitarian party before?
No, never.
Have you ever advocated the overthrow of any government by force or violence?
No, never.
Have you ever persecuted any person because of race, religion, national origin, membership in a particular social group, or political opinion?
No, never.
Were you ever involved in any way with genocide?
No, never.
How about torture or killing or trying to kill someone?
No, never.
Were you ever a worker, volunteer, or soldier in prison or jail?
No, never.
Have you ever been arrested, cited, or detained?
No, never.
Have you ever been charged with committing, attempting to commit, or assisting in committing any crime or offense?
No, I have not.
Have you ever been a habitual drunkard?
No, never.
Have you ever married someone to obtain an immigration benefit?
No, never.
Have you ever helped anyone enter or try to enter the United States illegally?
No, never.
Have you ever been removed, excluded, or deported from the United States?
No, never.
Do you support the Constitution and form of government of the United States?
Yes, I do.
Do you understand the full oath of allegiance to the United States?
Yes, I do.
And what is an oath?
A promise.
Are you willing to take the full oath of allegiance to the United States?
Yes, I'm willing to.
If the law requires it, are you willing to bear arms on behalf of the United States?
Yes, I'm willing to.
If the law requires it, are you willing to perform non-combatant services in the U.S. Armed Forces?
Yes, I'm willing to.
If the law requires it, are you willing to perform work of national importance under civilian direction?
Yes, I'm willing to.
Excellent. Congratulations. You passed your naturalization interview.
Thank you.
I want you to review all the information on the tablet to make sure it's accurate. Let me know if there are any mistakes.
Yes, everything looks good.
Then sign and date at the bottom.
Thank you, officer.
Great. Now I will submit your application for approval. Everything is right. I just need my supervisor to do a quality check and final approval. And here is a copy of your test result, your green card, and your ID.
Thank you, officer.
Do you have any questions?
I think I'm good. Thank you very much.
And for your oath ceremony, we will probably send you a notice in about a week. Just keep checking your USCIS account online. Congratulations again. Enjoy the rest of the day.
You as well. Thank you.